Unit 2. Lesson 3. Grammar. Question word.
怎么样？
The direct translation to
怎么样？
is how is it in English. It is used while asking for someone's opinion or evaluation of a person, animal, object, event, situation, and so on. For example,
今天天气怎么样？
means how's the weather today?
你的老师怎么样？
Means how's your teacher? While being asked a question of
怎么样？
for example, if someone asks you,
你的老师怎么样？
if your teacher is nice, you can answer,
我的老师很好。
which means, my teacher is nice. If your teacher is not nice, you can also answer,
我的老师不好。
which means, my teacher is not nice. The other example, if someone asks you,
今天天气怎么样？
if you find the weather nice, you can answer,
今天天气很好。
which means, the weather is nice today. The commonly used adverbs of degree to answer
怎么样？
questions include
非常、很、不太、不。
To answer such questions, you can use an appropriate adverb based on the situation. That means if the weather is really nice today, you can answer,
今天天气非常好。
which means the weather is very nice today. If the weather is not very nice today, you can answer,
今天天气不太好。
which means the weather is not so nice today. If the weather is not nice, you can say,
今天天气不好。
which means the weather is not nice today. In the next part, there are 3 practices for you. Please answer the questions based on the given pictures. Practice 1.
昨天的天气怎么样？
The possible answer is,
昨天的天气不好。
Practice 2.
他的猫怎么样？
The possible answer is,
他的猫很可爱。
Practice 3.
你的新朋友怎么样？
The possible answer is,
我的新朋友非常漂亮。
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Try to make a question with,
怎么样？
and write your question in the comment.